Hello friends. In the wake of pandemic coronavirus, tourism industry have fallen very fast. Today we will discuss about the impact of coronavirus on tourism industry. The coronavirus brings travel to a standstill, causing massive job and revenue losses. As per the World Travel and Tourism Council, international travel could be adversely impacted by up to 25% this year. 96% of the global destination imposed travel restrictions. Indian tourism and hospitality industry is staring at a potential job loss of around 38 million, which is around 70% of the total workforce due to this COVID-19 impact. We are facing global health emergency. Considering the unparalleled and fast evolving nature of crisis, it is extremely challenging to estimate the impact of COVID-19 on international tourism. International tourism could drop back to the level of 2012-2014 as per the World Tourism Organization. These estimates should be interpreted with the caution in view of the magnitude and nature of the crisis. SARS and the 2009 global economic crisis are the existing references, but this crisis is like no others. This coronavirus will halt solo travel, travel with friends, travel with group, family travel, adventure travel, luxury travel, and due to the growing risk of global recession. We'll also see less business travel in 2020, but still, it will give some relief because to prepare for 2021, business people will keep traveling once lockdown gets over. Due to this epidemic, there will be employee pay cuts, massive job losses, and burden on fixed expenses on businessmen, which leads to the reduced capacity of spending power. Eventually, people will feel reluctant to travel and even they don't think of making plan in 2020. The estimated impact of COVID-19 on air transport in 2020 in revenue per kilometer, Africa will observe minus 32%, Asia Pacific minus 37%, Europe will observe the highest 46%, Latin America minus 41%, Middle East minus 39%, and North America would observe minus 27%. Hospitality industry would be impacted up to 50%. Revenue per available room will decline by minus 50%. Average daily rate will decline by minus 13%. Supply of rooms by minus 51%, and the occupancy rate will decline by minus 42%. Despite of the closure of properties, still supply will be higher than demand. As far as luggage and travel accessories are concerned, which are highly dependent on travel, will see downfall in 2020. Luggage and suitcase will observe degrowth of minus 77%, backpack minus 56%, event and party supplies minus 55%, men's and women's outwear minus 48%, eyewear and sunglasses minus 45%, camping equipments minus 39%, boys active clothing minus 50%, and girls active clothing by minus 34%. This coronavirus brings tough time for everyone. We don't know when we will see the end of this crisis. What we do know that millions of jobs are at risk, that we need to protect the most vulnerable segments such as SMEs, self-employed, women's and youth, that we need to create survival mechanism for companies. We know we need strong support in navigating the unparalleled social and economic impact of COVID-19. We need urgent fiscal and monetary measures that help protect jobs, sustain the self-employed and support companies' liquidity and operations and accelerate recovery in the future. Tourism is a major job creator, especially for more vulnerable group, women and youth. It is also a sector with proven capacity to bounce back and multiply recovery to other sectors. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe Interesting Insight YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive interesting insights videos.